Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook spare ribs in the oven. First, gently pull off the thin membrane from the back of each rib rack. This makes the ribs much more tender. Next, pat the ribs completely dry using paper towels. Then, generously season both sides with your favorite dry rub. Ensure every surface is well covered for maximum flavor. Finally, wrap each rack tightly in heavy-duty aluminum foil, preparing them for the oven. Now, preheat your oven to a steady 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your tightly wrapped ribs directly onto a sturdy baking sheet. Allow them to bake slowly for about 2.5 to 3 hours. This low and slow method helps to break down the tough connective tissues, resulting in incredibly tender meat. After this initial bake, the ribs should feel quite pliable and almost fork tender. Once the initial baking time is complete, carefully remove the ribs from the oven. Unwrap them completely and discard any liquid that has collected in the foil. Now, it is time to brush a generous layer of your favorite barbecue sauce all over the ribs, ensuring full coverage. Place the sauced ribs back onto the baking sheet, uncovered this time. Return them to the oven for an additional 30 minutes to caramelize the sauce perfectly. After the sauce has caramelized beautifully, take the ribs out of the oven. It is crucial to let them rest on a cutting board for at least 10 minutes. This resting period allows the internal juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Finally, slice the racks into individual ribs or two-bone portions, cutting between the bones. Your perfectly tender, oven-baked spare ribs are now ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.